All right, now to Maryland's fight against COVID-19. The positivity rate is now above 2%. That's something we haven't seen since May. The key metrics also trending in the wrong direction. For the second day in a row, new cases have topped 300. Now, the CDC says nearly 163 million people, which is 49% of Americans, are vaccinated. But the millions who aren't may start feeling the brunt of the pandemic's latest surge. Here's Tom Hansen.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says he's frustrated by COVID-19's summer surge, driven by the more contagious Delta variant and a slowdown in vaccination rates.
We're going in the wrong direction. If you look at the inflection of the curve of new cases, and as you said in the run-in to this interview, that it is among the unvaccinated.
Nationally, the 7-day average of new COVID cases has spiked close to 50%.
The first thing I would urge Americans to do is to get vaccinated.
Dr. Scott Gottlieb, who's on the board of COVID vaccine maker Pfizer, says virus levels are much higher in those infected with the Delta variant, and that's why it spreads more rapidly than earlier strains.
Certainly anyone who goes out and gets vaccinated right now is going to have a vaccine that protects them through the fall and the winter.
Fauci and other U.S. health officials are weighing the idea of vaccine booster shots for those with suppressed immune systems.
Those are the kind of individuals that if there's going to be a third boost, which might likely happen, would be among first the vulnerable.
I have too much living yet to do.
In Denver, Russ Fortna spent some 8 months in hospitals battling the coronavirus.
It's been a long haul, but compared to where I was, it's like night and day.
Now that he's finally gone home, there's a message he wants to send.
Get your shots, because we're having another epidemic go on right now, simply because people have been misinformed or lazy.
Fortna's doctors say they've never seen anyone make such a huge recovery. Tom Hansen, CBS News, New York.